today looking at the Fanner Exosphere and the Risa LP electric ukuleles today. So I'm doing a series on comparing my solid body electric ukuleles. I've done a couple already. This one should be really quite interesting. The first two I did, there were similarities, whether it was body shape or pickup configuration. But these two today are definitely very different. So we've got the Fanner Exosphere Tenor solid body electric ukulele and the Risa LP solid body electric ukulele. This one is custom made in South Africa and this one is by a German company. Price wise they are very similar. The Risa retails at round about the £550 mark, whereas the Fanner retails for between about 500 and 550 depending on the specs, because of course it's a custom. But other than that, they are really quite different. The Risa has got double humbucker pickups, whereas the Fanner has got 3 single coil pickups. They're both tenor scale. The Fanner has got 20 frets, no 0 fret, whereas the Risa has got 20 frets with a 0 fret. That one up there. Solid mahogany body on the Risa, and I think it's probably basswood body on the Exosphere, but remember this one is custom built, so there are different woods available for this as well. Neck wise, solid mahogany on the Risa and a maple neck on the Fanner, but this one has got a rosewood fingerboard with these gorgeous inlays, and the Fanner has got an ebony fingerboard to match my peewee bass. Now the Risa is sort of styled on an LP shape, whereas the Fanner is styled on a Strat shape. And of course you saw in one of my previous comparisons the two Strats I've got, because I looked at the Fanner and I looked at the Flight Pathfinder, but these two are very different looking ukuleles. They're both lovely to play. The Fanner's got a 35mm width at the nut, whereas the Risa has got a 34mm nut. This one, the Risa, has got a set neck, okay? Whereas the Fanner has got a bolt-on neck. They are very different looking, and I should imagine very different sounding with the different pickups. I've been really looking forward to doing this one. This one has got a switch on it, which is 3-way for the configuration, and this one has got a 5-way switch for the configuration. They both come with their strap buttons because these are heavier than normal electroacoustics, and they both come with quite a flimsy gig bag. So that's all the accessories you get with them, but of course they are both steel string, solid body electric ukuleles, and just a quick reminder before we hear them, round about the £550 mark, round about between £500 and £550, so similar in price. So all the audio samples have been recorded at the same time, going through my Barefaced Reality 112 cab and my Hughes and Kettner Nano head amp. So the first sound sample, a little bit bluesy, there's reverb on it, and I do put a little bit of overdrive, but that'll pop up on the screen when it happens. And I would recommend wearing headphones to listen to these. next sound sample, a little bit more delicate finger picking this time, no plectrums involved, reverb all the way through. And the last sound sample, my little rock riff, no effects to start with, but as I add them, I'll pop them on the screen. So that's sound samples of them both. As I've said previously, I'm not judging these, I'm not giving them marks. They're all my ukes and I love playing them all. They're all quite different to play, but they're all very nice indeed. This is just to give you guys an idea of what they sound like and sort of a relative comparison of the ukes. A reminder of price, they're both quite similar. Custom made in South Africa, so you can choose lots and lots of options with the Fanner Exosphere, and these are round about between about £500 and £550, whereas the Risa, which is a German company, and this one has always been sort of considered as the quality solid body electric uke, is also round about £550. So that's another comparison of these solid body ukes done. There are still a few more to come. I do hope they are helping. Maybe you're trying to decide which one you like. And as I said, I'm going to be interested hearing these two side by side because they are quite different with the way the pickups are, with the configuration. As always though, if you've got a comment or a question, please feel free, leave it below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.